Yeah.
All right, guys, so I've emptied out everything. Well, I've added some things over here in the back that wasn't in that drawer. But if you see my what's in my stockpile video, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put that in the description box below, y'all. I want to do something in my hair. I've emptied out the contents that was in that drawer because I'm trying to get some gift baskets. We are 3 days away and I haven't put not one thing together, okay? So I'm gonna be making some baskets one for my son's teacher and the other one for the ladies at CVS I'm gonna put them for because I absolutely love them, okay? I know them all by name. I've just loved them. They take care of me, so anytime I get the chance, I make sure that I take care of them. All right, so I'm gonna be trying to incorporate. Look at all this nail polish, y'all. I'm gonna be trying to incorporate all of these things in baskets that I'm gonna put together. So you guys follow along with me to see how this goes. I was able to go to the Dollar Tree. It was packed. When I tell you, there was 1 trillion people in there. But y'all, maybe people just don't shrink wrap their gifts. Like maybe people don't put baskets together for Christmas, but they had like, it was almost like they were waiting for me to come get it. Like they had shrink wrap for days. I think I probably picked up like 20 of them. And they just had more. And I just kept picking them up because like, oh my God, there's more. Let me get some more. Oh my God, there's some more over here. Let me get some more. Like I just kept getting it. And then $45 later, you know, I've got baskets and everything that I need from Dollar Tree. So thank God it was there. I was so afraid I was going to have to travel all over the world to find it. So I rambled enough. Let's get started with these baskets. Okay, so I'm going to start with y'all excuse my son. He's playing with the water balls right up under me. So we're gonna start with the basket. I've cut some cellophane out that I tried to use on another gift that I didn't work out. So I just took it apart and put it in that gift bag that you see behind you. So we're gonna start with the cellophane from the old one. I didn't want to throw it away, and it's really a great cushion. And I took some tissue paper to put it in the bottom. So I got this from Dollar Tree. Everything you see here that I've decorating this with is from the Dollar Tree, okay? So let's fill in the face. Okay, guys, these baskets are a little bit bigger. They look. I could have went just a tad bit smaller because I have a lot of space, but I just filled that in with some candy on the bottom. So I'm trying to personalize. 2 of the ladies that I know will be at work tomorrow, they have locks. So I put some dry shampoo in there, and then I put some other things. This one's for one of the ladies, actually my favorite. If y'all watching this, all y'all my favorite, but Miss Roxanne's my favorite. But this one's for her. I know she doesn't wear like a lot of makeup and stuff like that. So I just tried to put something in there, just, you know, just to let her know I'm thinking about her. I also have to put a bundle together, a gift basket together for her son. I'm dropping that off tomorrow too. So I've just put like a mask in there, some mascara, lip balm, some dry shampoo, some nail polish, you know, some deodorant. I put some lipstick in here, like a really dark color. I think she might like if she decides to go out on the town one night. And then I put like a fingernail file in there. Even though I don't think she might need this, I may take this out. I don't know how it's gonna look if I take it out though, because her daughter does nails. So I'm not sure. I might put this in another one. So I'm still tweaking it a little bit, guys. But yeah, so this is my finished product. It's a little bit skimpy. I wish I had more stuff to add to it, but I think I know she's going to love this, okay? Sometimes people just want to know that you're thinking about them, okay? So let's get this shrink wrapped, and I'll be back with the finished package. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I know it looks a little butchy. I probably need to fray that a little bit. But this is the finished product of the gift basket while it's shrink wrapped. I have another bow. This is the bow that came with it. I have another bow that I could use, but I think I'm gonna save those for my other baskets. This is my second year like using the shrink wrap and actually doing that for my baskets. So there's still a lot that I'm learning as I go. So it's not perfect. Like some of the styles are still, Lord my child. Some of the styles are still a little wonky. But overall, I think she's gonna like it. So that is like, this is a little wonky. I might try to smooth this out a little bit. But yeah, this is gift basket number 1. All right, this is everything in my second basket. I tried to kind of stick with the like a color scheme, but there's just, I don't have a lot of colors or whatever. So this is for so I'm gonna keep moving stuff around before I actually shrink wrap this. And then I just line the bottom with candy so there's not any like dead space. I put another mask in there. This lady has locks as well. So I put some other stuff in here. I'm not really sure. I wish I really knew. I'm gonna ask them tomorrow. So next year I can find out if they wear makeup or not. Like, you know, because some people don't wear makeup to work. I don't wear makeup to work, but then when it's time to wear makeup, I put a whole face on. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I'm gonna see. I'm not sure what they, you know, like do for makeup or whatever. I might move these to the side over here. And then it's, you know, I'm just gonna keep messing around with it. Cause I want to be able to see everything from the front. So yeah, this is my second basket. I'm gonna try to shrink wrap this and try to do a better job from the last one. Again, y'all, do not judge my shrink wrapping. This is the second year that I've shrink wrapped my gifts. So just don't judge me. All right, so everything you see here, literally, everything in this basket I got from CVS. Everything in this basket I got from CVS, and I've accumulated this over the year. So I couldn't tell you how much this cost. I really couldn't. But I know for a fact that everything I got in this basket has come from CVS. So I'm just taking everything and just paying it forward, guys. All right, so let me shrink wrap this and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is the finished product. Next year, I need to remind myself to get those sticky dots because the thing fell over in there. So it's kind of falling over, but this is the finished product. I might cut some more off the top. I don't like when it's like super long like that. But that is gift basket number 2 that I'm gonna drop off at CVS. And now I'm going to do the bundle. Y'all, my house is disgusting, so mind your business. And there's that pile over there that you see right there is nothing but coupons. Well, inserts, and stuff that I use to mail the inserts when I mail them out. But anyway, I'm gonna take this basket, this big blue basket that you see over here, and I'm going to do a bundle for one of the ladies at CVS. Her son is at college, so I'm gonna put that bundle together. So let's get started. All right, this is everything that's gonna be in this gift basket. I tried to cover all of the basics. This clothes basket isn't big enough for a tissue, so that's that. So I tried to cover. She did tell me that he liked Irish Spring, and I wanted to put that in there. I wanted to kind of keep the colors the same, all right? So I put the Snuggle boosters, scent boosters in because I have enough of them. I'm gonna gift them, but I promise she got enough, all right? So I'm thinking about stuff, you know, that's big enough that's gonna last, you know what I mean? So these Purex is 15 in there, but that's a 51 load. So that's gonna last a good minute. If you're at college, I'm assuming you wash one. If you're a guy, I don't know. I'm assuming you wash once a week. But if you wash once a week and you using, you know, if that's 51 loads, that ought to last you maybe maybe a month or so. Depends on how often you wash. So this is my little college guy bundle that I put together. I'm not gonna shrink wrap this because I honestly don't think a bag will fit. But I've got really big bags that's not gonna be shrink wrapped, but you can just tie. So I'm gonna put that together and I'll be right back. So this is where we are. None of the shrink wrap bags that I have are big enough to put on. Not the shrink wrap, but the bags is not big enough. So this is everything that I have. We saw that, went over everything. I just put a bow on it. Like, I just put a bow on it. I'm not even gonna try to wrap it or like, and the liquid, excuse me, it's late. The liquid and the scope alone, the big bottle of the scope alone, it makes it super, super heavy. So I just put a bow on it. I just slapped a bow on it. Took the little shred thing out since it's gonna be sticking out all those sides. I put more tissue paper on the bottom of it. And I just put that little bow on it, and Merry Christmas to you. Have a Happy New Year. All right, it's late, y'all. I've been working on this for hours. I promise y'all, I've been trying to figure this stuff out. That's it, guys. Just some ideas that you can use. I picked up this basket at the Dollar Tree. I picked up the tissue paper at the Dollar Tree and this bow at the Dollar Tree, and just an idea of how to use everything in your stockpile. I didn't go out and buy any of this stuff, y'all. This is all stuff that I already had. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching my struggle gifts baskets. Ooh, it's a struggle, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I've got so many more gifts to put together, so you guys come along on my gift giving journey, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching again. Have a good night. Bye.